Good evening, everyone, and welcome to Mesay Financial College online classroom. Today, we'll be doing Business Vocabulary and Use, Units 4 and Units 5. So for today, we'll be at Mesay Financial College online course. This class is for DEE 1.1 and DEM 1.1. This will be Business Vocabulary Year 1, and I want to welcome everybody to the class. For Units 4, we'll be doing numbers and years, which is known as Cardinal Numbers. Units 5, we'll be doing ordering numbers or ordinal numbers. So for Units 4, when we talk about numbers and year, we just say the number. Year 2020, 10,000 keep, $300, and right here with the Laos phone number 856-20-59596-559. So with numbers and years, it's known as cardinal numbers. We just say the numbers. And ordering numbers, we're talking about ordinal numbers, numbers with places. So we say first place, third floor, fifth Street, and December 28th. Cardinal numbers is known as count numbers. We just count the numbers. And ordinal numbers right here is known as order or place. So we start out with our regular numbers. For cardinal numbers, we just say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. If we look at our ordinal number or number with places, we say first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, and 10th. If you notice the difference between these two, right, we have a TH at the end. The first three numbers, first, second, and third, they are important, so we have a different pronunciation for it. After the third place, everything we just add a TH to it. See, TH, TH. So with the TH, we use a fa-fi sound. So for number 4, we just say 4. For fourth place, we say 4, we add a TH at the end, fourth. Fifth. Please remember this because these numbers right here will be very important as we go with ordinal numbers or order and places. Now let's continue with counting, right? Let's look at both of this again. So right here we say 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Now, when we talk about order or place, we said 11th, 12th, 13th, 14th, 15th, 16th, 17th, 18th, 19th, 20th. So if you look at these, right, 11 for order or place, we add a TH to it. 12, we just add a TH for it. And for pronunciation wise, the TH, we just add a W sound to it. I mean, a F sound to it, a F or a fa-fi sound. This is much easier for non-native speakers because you will hear us use an F sound. For example, for 11, with the number, we just say 11, but with the place, we say 11th. So the first 15 right here, these are very different, so we have a different pronunciation for this. After the 20th place, or after number 20, we have 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, and 30. A lot of people cannot say 30, so they say 30, which is a little bit different, but at least with the loud saying, they say 30, which is right here. Continuing with the ordinal number with order or places. See, for right here, we just add 20, right? And we'd say 21st. 20, right here. And with the second, right? 22nd. 23rd. 24th. 25th. 26th. 27th. 28th, 29th, and 30th. So right here we just add a TH. After this one we just do the same. If it's a 30, we just say 31, 32, 33, and for order we just say 31st, 32nd, 33rd, and 34th. So with this, for the first numbers, we have to remember our first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, and our last one, the 10th. Once again, for ordinal numbers, we just add a TH to the end, or we just add a fall 5. 21, 21st, these first three are different. 22, 22nd, 23, 23rd, and after the number 3, we just add a TH. 24, 24th, 25, 25th, 26, 26th. There's a TH right here. Alright, so this is it for your ordinal numbers and your cardinal numbers. For the next session, we'll be working with a different number system. Now, when we come to years, we say the years as pairs of numbers. For example, with this year, we say 19 separated by the first two numbers and 99. So it becomes 1999. For the year 2000, we just say 2000. Year 2000. Now from 2000 to 2009, there's a special way to say these numbers. For these 9 years, we say differently from every other years. For 2000, we just say the name 2000. For this one, we say 2001. See, we say the first two numbers because this year, these years are different. They are not regular years or regular pronunciation. We just say 2001. 2002, and we continue until it reached 2009. So we'll be saying 2003, 2004, 2005, all the way until 2009. Now, as we reach this year to right now, to the present, we say the numbers as pairs again. We say the years as pairs. So, for example, for this one, we say 20 right here, and then we say 10. 20, 10. This one will be saying 20, right, and 11. So how would you say this year? You will say this year by saying 20, 21. See how it is? So 20, 21. And then for the next year, you'll just be saying 20, 22. So as a reminder, when we talk about the years, we say as pairs. Except when we have the year 2000 all the way until 2009. We say these years in a special way. We just say 2000 for this one, and then we just say the numbers. Now, we are going to continue with numbers. With numbers, we just say the number, right? So with this one, we just say 1, and then with this one, we just say 16. For the 3 places, we say 100, right? Right here, see 100, and then we say these two last numbers. 116. For this one, we say 400, the first one. We say 400, and then we say 55. Right here, if we have a 1 to the 9, which is 701. Continue until we reach 9. 702, 703, all the way until 709. And once it changes, we just say 700 and then the last two numbers. For example, right here, 455. Now we call these the hundreds places. Continuing with the next section, we have number before the first comma. So in English, we call this comma. The numbers before the first comma, we say thousand. So right here, you see there's a comma right here. So the numbers over here, we add thousand to it. For example, with this one, we say, because we're in the commas, right? We say right here, thousand, right? We say 1,000. See right here, so we say 1 with the comma right here, 1,000. And then after the comma, we just say the regular numbers. 116. Right here, with this number, we'll be saying 3,000, because we have the comma right here, 3,000. And then we say the last three number. This one will be 455. Continuing with the next part. Right here, how would you say this one? Right? You'll be saying 9, and then we have the first comma, so we say 9,000, and then these last three numbers, which is, we just say 701. So once again, the first number after this one, we add thousand to it. 1,116. 3,455. 9,701. Remember, the number before the first comma, we call it thousands, right? So for this one, since we have two numbers in front, we'll be saying the number and followed by the thousand. So example for this one, we just say right here, 10, we just add 1,000. How would you say this number? All right, pause for a second and see if you can say this number correctly. I would try to say this number by yourself before you listen to me. So pause the video, try to say it a few times, and then listen to me. To say this number, remember the number before the first comma, we say 1,000, right? So right here, we just say this number, 21, followed by the first comma, we say 1,000. 21,000. After the comma, we just say the number, 116. Alright, let's have you try this number. How would you say this number? Pause the video and try a few times before you listen to how I say this number. Okay, so to say this number, remember the number before the first comma, we say 1,000, right? And we just say number 1,000. 43,000. After the comma, we just say the number, right? 455. Alright, let's have you try this one again. How would you say this number? Pause the video, say it a few times, and then unpause the video and listen to me. To say this number, remember the first comma, we add 1,000. 79,701. So anything in front of the comma, the first comma, we add the word 1,000. This one will be 21,116. 43,455. 79,701. We are going to continue by making the numbers bigger and bigger. So the numbers, remember the first time, the first comma, we add 1,000, right? So right here, see how we have three numbers now, right? We have three digits. So these are our 100, right? And then we have the first comma, we add 1,000. So this one will be 100,000. So let's look at this number. How would you pronounce or how would you say this number? Pause the video, try to say this number a few times, and then unpause the video and listen to me. To say this number, remember we have the first comma, right? So for the first comma, we just add 1,000. So the first comma is right here. We just say the number, right? 421,116. All right, let's have you try this number one more time. Pause the video and try to say this number. It's okay to get the numbers wrong, right? But you have to practice saying this a few times because numbers is important for English. So to say this numbers, remember the first comma right here, we add 1,000, right? So to say this, we just say the number, right? 943,455. All right, let's try the last number. Once again, pause the video, try to say this number a few times, and then unpause the video and listen to me say the number. To say the number, remember the first comma, we add 1,000, right? So this number is 279,701. Okay, so we're going to continue to make the numbers bigger. Now to the next session, right? Number before the second comma, we add million. So if you say this, see, this is the first comma, this is the 1,000, this is the second comma, we say million. So to say this number, we say 1 million. Continuing with this, how would you say this number now? Right? Pause the video, try to say this number a few times, and then unpause the video and listen to me. Okay, to say this number, right? This is the first comma, the second comma, right? With the second comma, we add million. So for the second comma, we add million, right? 5 million. Now we just say this number, right? And this is the first comma, so we add 1,000. 421,000. And then we just say the number, 116. So to say this one, 5 million, the second comma, 421,000, the second comma, and then we just say 116. All right, try to say this number by yourself. How would you say this number, right? Or how would you read this number? Pause the video, try a few times, and then unpause the video and listen to me. All right, to say this number, remember, this is the first comma, this is the thousands, this is the second comma, this is the million. So to say this number, we say 9 for second comma, million, 943, this is the first comma, we add 1,000, 455. So to say this, right? 9,943,455. All right, to the next number. So once again, try to say this number by yourself. Unpause the video after you try it, and then you listen to how I will pronounce or say this number. To say this number, remember the first comma is 1,000, the second comma is million. So to say this number, we say 3,279,701. 701. See how with this number, the second comma we add million, the first comma we add thousand, right? 5,421,116. 9,943,455. 3,279,701. Okay, now for some homework. Remember, every week we have spelling vocabulary. So these 15 vocabulary will be your spelling vocabulary. I will want you to remember how to spell this correctly, right? If you cannot spell these correctly, you'll be writing the vocabulary over many times and you'll be writing sentences with them. So as a homework, you should remember how to spell these because these will be on your spelling homework. After you watch this video, there will be a session on homework. So open up the session on homework and complete the homework. Remember, do not forget to add your headings correctly, right? So until the next video, I will see you around campus. And once again, for attending Mesay Financial's online class, I want to thank you for taking your time to watch this video. And I'll see you in the next lesson. When you finish with this video, do not forget to go comment and tell me your name, your first name, your last name, what class you are from, and what did you learn. So every single time you finish watching my videos, you'll be commenting with your first name, your last name, your class number, and what did you learn. Alright, so please do not forget to go comment on the video and have a wonderful day.